to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, baby. Happy birthday. Enjoy your life. Stay beautiful and sexy. Ay, wish you all the best. Pantahatagan pakaugtaghang birthday na maabot sa imong kinabuhi o amping permis sa imong biyahe kada adlaw. Ilabi na sa imong work o ilabi na ang imong pamilya nga unta i-guide sila permi sa matag adlaw. O thank you kaayo kay Cap Jane sa pag-sponsor niya sa among mahimong pagtapok-tapok sa imong adlaw matawhan. Salamat kaayo si Cap sa walay puas nga pagtabang sa among God bless you always, both of you, and thank you all guys, and I love you.
Hello po, Manrisa Sander. Happy birthday. Salamat at kasama ko sa Team Tararang. Stay pretty, enjoy your day. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sis Maurice. Wishing you a good health and more blessings to come. Thank you for all the supports, both of you, Jenny Hamlin, and also with you, Sis Maurice. I'm very thankful na nasama ako sa Team Tararang. Always good vibes and be happy always. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Marisa Saunders. More birthday to come. God bless. Tararang, 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 tararang. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, beautiful Sisi Marisa. I just want to say happy birthday. I hope you have the best day on your special day. I wish you another year of good health and happiness. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday! Mwah, mwah.
Hi Mama Riz, happy birthday. Dalangin ko na bigyan ka pa ng Lord ng marami pang birthday at malakas, malusog na pangangatawan. Sa araw na ito ay maging masaya ka kasama ng iyong pamilya at ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. At kami, ang pamilya mo sa Team Tararang, ay patuloy na nalangin na magkaroon ka pa ng mga maraming blessing at proteksyonan ka ng Panginoon sa araw-araw ng iyong pamumuhay. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagiging blessing sa amin sa Team Tararang. God bless you always. We love you. And happy birthday.
Hi everyone, this is Meru Biso of Team Tararang. I just want to greet Mrs. Marisa Sounder a happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sis Marisa. Wishing you all the best. At sana lahat ng mga birthday wish mo ay matupad at maging successful ang iyong buhay. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo ni Sis Jenny at nakilala ko kayong dalawa. Thank you sa mga supportang binibigay niyo sa amin ni Braxton. Alam kong mabait ka kasi magka-birthday man tayong dalawa. Pareho tayo siguro ng ugali.
Hello sa co-admin namin ng Team Tararang. Happy birthday sa iyo, Mama Marisa Saunders. God bless and enjoy your day. Stay healthy. Thank you sa iyong suporta sa buong team, Mama Marisa. Sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating Team Tararang. Have a nice day.
Birthday, Sis Maris. Wish you all the best and God bless you more. Good health, sis, at sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa buhay mo. And sana magkita-kita tayo soon, nakaka-uwi kayo sa Pinas kasama si Sis Jenny. Ayun sis, once again happy birthday and good health. God bless you more and sa ating mga ka-Team Tararang.
All of you guys, sa Team Tararang, course, to the celebrant Marisa Saunders to celebrate her birthday.
Sis Maurice, happy birthday. More birthdays to come in your life, and good health, and many, many blessings God gave you, and ano ba? More candles to blow, and take care of yourself always, and with your family, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Maurice. Thank you for always. And your niece is Jenny. Bye. God bless. Chureng, chureng, chureng. Chureng, chureng, chureng. Chureng, chureng. Boom, boom, boom.
Hi Mama Maris, happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come in good health. Stay kind and pretty. Again, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Marisa Sounder. More blessing to come. I love you. Ingat lagi. Tararang, 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 rang, 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 rang.
Hello, Sis Maurice. Happy birthday. Happy 39th birthday, Sisi Marisa. Sana nasa good health ka lagi. More blessings. Tapos, happy life.
Hey, Ate Mars, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday to Mars, and more birthday to come in your life, and keep safe always to whole family. Happy birthday again.
No, man, birthday Mrs. Sobrang. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. More blessings. God bless you.
Hello, Sisi Maurice. Happy birthday. I wish you a good health, great success, and endless happiness. More blessings to come. More.
Hello Ate Mars, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa inyo. Wish you all the best and God bless always, at ingat po kayo palagi.
Hello Sis Maris, happy birthday, and I wish you always good health and God bless you.
Sa aming napaka-bait at napaka-generous na co-captain sa JWJ Farm, Sisi Maurice, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Sis Marisa. As you blow out the candle, may every wish bring you joy. Wishing you a day with laughter, love, and cherished moments. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sis Marisa. Cheers to another amazing year ahead. Wishing you happiness, love, and unforgettable moments. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sis Marisa. Wishing you a day as joyful as a bunch of this colorful balloon. Here's to a year filled with happiness and wonderful surprises. Enjoy your birthday. We love you.
Enjoy your special day from Team Tararang family. We love you.
Maris, I hope na-surprise ka sa mga birthday greetings ng ating ka-team Tararang at saka ka-familia ng ating GWG family ng Star Maker. Thank you for being a great friend, classmate in high school, and co-founder ng Team Tararang at co-captain ng JWJ family ng Star Maker. You are the best friend that I can keep like a treasure in my jewelry box. I wish you have many more birthdays to come, and may God always guide you and bless you. Happy birthday. We love you.